Zeke, he's able to turn that into an actual real working product.
This year, of course, we've given to all the police associations in the area and other areas around the country, even to as far to Idaho and to California and to Arizona.
Zeke is personally good at the abstract. He's able to get a thought or a concept in his head, and he's able to turn that into an actual real working product.
Chris is very supportive in that regard because when that abstract thought comes together, he's able to take it and put it into a more solidity.
I have a very good ability at understanding the situation very quickly and being able to respond to it as far as sales and communication goes.
They'll find us out, they'll call us, and we speak to them on the phone. Typically, we get to know each other, and they'll come into the store here, and then we'll get to know each other, you know. And mainly getting to know each other through the product, you know. It's the relationship is through the product, and through what that product can provide for them and for their home.
And I get to know a lot of our customers as when I'm speaking with them through the sales process. A lot of them don't know what they want. They don't know what's even available. So I have to get to know them more on a personal level. I ask questions like, how many people do you have come over? What is the configuration? What kind of foods do you like to cook? And that way I can better direct them to which products are better fit their needs. So I do get a little more personal with them as far as that's concerned. And then our dealers and contractors and things like that, we've got to get down with them, drill down to what their specific needs are as well, so I can provide those products to them.
We're all very big first line emergency responders, supporters. Of course, Chris here, he was a police officer for many years. He had a long career as a police officer out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. In past years, of course, we've given to all the police associations in the area and other areas around the country, even to as far to Idaho and to California and to Arizona. We give a lot when there's any type of local struggle, like when we have a hurricane coming up through Houston, we gave quite a bit to some relief organizations in that. And we still do that. We work every year to see where best we can help.
So we do give financially, and we also give products, like you were saying, especially for our local law enforcement, giving them grills and things so that they can cook at their substations. I recently gave one to the sheriff's office in Baton Rouge. We had some big projects planned for 2020, but COVID had other ideas, so we'll have something big planned for 2021.